Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon sorbet using an ice cream maker. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and water. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen solid for at least 24 hours. This preparation is key for achieving the perfect texture. Now, let's create our flavorful lemon syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 cup of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. This creates a vibrant base. Before churning, it's crucial to chill your lemon syrup mixture in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even overnight. Once thoroughly chilled, pour the cold mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Churn the sorbet for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. The machine does all the hard work for you. After churning, transfer the soft sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to firm up. When ready to serve, scoop out your refreshing lemon sorbet. It's perfect on its own or garnished with a fresh mint leaf. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.